Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 220-volt 20-amp plug is probably one of the most crucial components for powering high-demand appliances and equipment. Navigating the world of electrical systems can be daunting, but understanding the importance of a reliable plug is paramount. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great 220-volt 20-amp plug, ensuring your devices receive the power they need safely and efficiently. Number 5. Legrand Pass and Seymour 20A Angle Plug. Introducing the Legrand Pass and Seymour Angle Plug. This is a robust electrical plug designed for demanding applications. It provides a reliable power connection. The package includes one black, heavy-duty electric plug. It's a straight-blade angle plug, ready to provide power where you need it. This 20-amp plug is built for performance. It features a 3-prong outlet and is designed to be a turn-lock plug. It ensures you have the power you need. Made from durable nylon, this plug is built to last. It handles 250 volts and 20 amps, ensuring a long-lasting, quality connection. Forget hiring an electrician. This Pass and Seymour plug is simple to install. It's perfect for DIY projects and quick repairs. Pass and Seymour products are known for their quality. This plug comes in reliable packaging, ensuring a top-notch product arrives at your door. What we like. This plug is built tough, using heavy-duty nylon for lasting performance. It's also designed for easy installation, making it perfect for your DIY projects. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution for your power needs, this is the one to consider. What people say. Excellent plug that is well made with reliable hookups for the wires. Plug reassembles easily and sturdily. Excellent quality. Works perfectly. This plug is easy to use. 2 screws on the back, and being that it's 220 volt, it doesn't matter which side the black and white wires go on, and the ground screw is clearly marked. The connections are brass and hold the electrical cable well in place. When you reassemble the plug after connection your wiring, it clamps down on the insulation of the cable for even security. Number 4. MaxWorks 50541 Plug and Socket Set. This is the MaxWorks 50541 set, including a replacement plug and socket. It's designed to provide a reliable power connection for your devices. The set is built with high-quality plastic, ensuring it's sturdy and long-lasting. You can trust it to withstand regular use. It features an ABS flame-retardant housing, all-copper connectors, and nylon PVC insulation. These features ensure the user's safety. The strict blade design makes it suitable for various household applications. It's a versatile solution for your power needs. Both the plug and socket are ETL approved, meeting safety standards. This provides you with peace of mind. What we like. This set includes both a plug and a socket, offering a complete solution. The flame-retardant housing and ETL approval ensure safety and reliability. If you need a matching plug and socket for your electrical setup, this set provides a convenient and safe option. What people say. The absolute best feature is the way the wires clamp to the plug. It's quite easy to strip and insert them, no bends required, then see how well they clamp because of the see-through housing. The wire fit easily into their slots. I solder the ends first, and were very easy to secure to the outlet and inlet ends. The dovetail on the cord clamp is excellent and really secures the extension cord to prevent pull-out. Number 3. Weber Electronics WB620 Wrap Right Angle Replacement Plug. This is the Weber Electronics WB620 Wrap Replacement Plug. It's designed for easy assembly and is perfect for making new power cables or repairing extension cords. The right angle design is ideal for tight spaces. This feature allows it to fit where other plugs can't, providing convenience and flexibility. Installation is simple with easy-to-follow instructions. You can attach this plug yourself, saving time and effort. Built with heavy-duty nylon and solid brass pins, this plug is built to last. It ensures a reliable and safe connection. It features isolated see-through wiring chambers to prevent arcing and flashover. This design guarantees a good and secure connection. It accepts 1814 AWG wires and can be installed in up to 8 different rotations. This plug offers great versatility for various applications. This product is UL/CUL approved and RHS compliant. You can trust its quality and safety. What we like. This plug features a right-angle design, ideal for tight spaces and offers multiple installation configurations. The durable nylon construction ensures longevity. If you have limited space or need flexibility in your setup, this right-angle plug is a great choice. What people say. Super fast service, exactly as described. Works great. Number 2. Leviton 5821W Commercial Receptacle Outlet. This is a commercial specification grade single receptacle outlet. It's designed for demanding environments. You can trust it for its durability and performance. This outlet is the electrical contractor's choice. It's ideal for use in hotels, schools, hospitals, and commercial office buildings. It's built to handle the rigors of daily use. The side wire design makes installation easy. It simplifies the wiring process. This feature saves time and effort. This outlet provides a 20 amp, 250 volt capacity. It meets NEMA 6-20R standards. It ensures reliable power delivery. It features a 2-pole, 3-wire configuration. This design ensures safe and efficient power distribution. It's a reliable solution for your electrical needs. What we like. This is a commercial-grade receptacle, built for demanding environments. It features a side-wire design for easy installation and is known for its durability. If you need a reliable and robust outlet for commercial or high-use applications, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The quality of the materials is evident, and it feels robust and well-constructed. Installation was straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions provided. It delivers consistent power without any issues, providing peace of mind for all my electrical needs. Number 1. Leviton 620 PV 20 amp electrical plug. This is the Leviton 620 PV electrical plug. It's designed for reliable power connections. It's a grounding plug, ensuring safety during use. The plug has a compact design, with package dimensions of 2.83 inches in length, 1.50 inches in width, and 1.50 inches in height. This makes it easy to handle and install. Weighing only 0.35 pounds, this plug is lightweight. The assembly screws are made of steel, zinc-plated, ensuring durability and longevity. This electrical plug is rated for 20 amps and 250 volts. It is a single unit, perfect for various electrical applications. This product is made in China. It is designed to meet the required standards for electrical plugs. What we like. This plug has a compact design, making it easy to handle and install. It's a grounding plug, ensuring safety. If you need a simple, reliable plug for your electrical needs, this is a great option. What people say. Easy swap, took a couple of minutes. I'm using this on a 3-wire 12-gauge 240-volt extension cord and it works well. Easy to plug on, nice amount of room in the plug to work with, holds the cord tight, works for all of my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.